Welcome to Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina, and today we are making taco dip, which is one of my crowd pleasers. So I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and I'm gonna add a third a cup of, you can use sour cream or yogurt. I'm using yogurt. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of paprika, now I'm going to mix it all up. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of ground beef. So it's cooked ground beef that's then chilled, or if you have leftover taco meat, that's perfect. If it's got extra seasoning in it, that's fine. And then that I don't use the hand mixer, I just do it by hand real quick. And then now I'm going to spread it into my serving dish. Spread it out, pack it down. It's easiest if you use a spatula, but you could use a spoon, it's fine. Okay, so now that the dip is spread, I'm gonna layer it with the toppings. So I have half a cup of shredded cheese, and then 1 small 2.25 ounce can of sliced black olives. I have about 1 tablespoon, like 1 stalk of green onion. And I have about 1/4 a cup of chopped tomatoes. And now it is ready to serve. Perfect. You could put it in the fridge if you're not ready to serve it right away. And you probably just want to store it for about a day. It's not a dip that's going to last very long. Probably because most people are going to eat it anyway. Well, thanks again for watching, and find the full written recipe on my website. And don't forget to subscribe to find more recipes like this.